Mabuhay boy partners. I'm Andrew Frigay, 36 months old, of Landmark Trinoma. 21 years ago, 1997, Starbucks introduced to us this coffee to celebrate the Filipino coffee tradition and culture. But first, I would like to thank you 278 years ago, or the year of 1740. The Filipino coffee tree in the Philippines was introduced in Lipa with Spanish Franciscan monk. From there, coffee growing spread to other parts of Batangas like Ibaan, Lemery, San Jose, Taal, and Tatuan. Going back to my coffee, the packaging of this coffee is probably Filipino design. The yellow rising sun, red horizon, Lucy's, and the Vinta floating over it. Yes, it is the representation of the Philippine flag. The design of the packaging was created by one of the renowned Filipino artist, Mario Malang Santos. Partners, I would like to present to you the Cafe Vinta. This blend the coffee is from Asia Pacific region, including from the Philippines, particularly in Vietnam. Join me as we explore more of this coffee. So let's start by capturing its aroma. So this coffee has a stunning and interesting aroma. You will smell the earthiness, like a mushroom in a good way, and a toasted smell of this coffee. So as we incorporate this medium roast coffee in our tank, it has low acidity, which is relaxing to our palate. This coffee is mellow, but not too overwhelming. The distinctive full body characteristics of this coffee stays at the side of our tongue. That leaves me a satisfying feeling. This coffee has a spicy flavor. It's absolutely a Filipino identity because we would like to give a surprise in the end, like the spicy finish of this coffee. For us to appreciate more this coffee, I have here a truffle chocolate cake. Since the Cafe Vinta's complementary flavors are nuts, cinnamon, and chocolate, so as we pair it to the Cafe Vinta, it brings more the satisfying taste of this coffee. The coffee becomes smooth as we pair it and really complements the coffee. So I choose this coffee aside of the celebration of the Buwan ng Wika. But because this coffee gives me a pride of being a Filipino, the characteristics of this coffee in every aspect show us the attributes of being a Filipino. Welcoming, loving, resilient, and brave. Muli, partners, ako po si Andrew Frigay. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga.